How to create a test plan, a detailed guide. Imagine launching software without being confident it works as expected. A strong test plan is your roadmap to identifying bugs, mitigating risks, and delivering reliable, high-quality software. In this video, we'll guide you through every step to create a test plan that ensures project success. Before creating a test plan, you need to know your project inside out. Start by reviewing key documents like the Software Requirement Specification, SRS, or Functional Requirement Specification, FRS. These detail what the system is designed to do, acting as your foundation for understanding critical features. Focus on recognizing core functionalities and user flows. For accurate testing, it's crucial to identify the scope of the project, dependencies, and business goals. This understanding will shape how you build a targeted and efficient test plan. A test plan needs a clear purpose. Specify what your testing will achieve, such as verifying functionality, performance, or compatibility. This helps stakeholders understand what to expect and creates alignment within the team. Next, define the test scope, what's included and excluded. Highlight critical areas you'll prioritize while outlining any limitations. Having this clarity ensures resources and efforts are focused on delivering maximum value. Your test strategy is the backbone of an effective test plan. Decide on the types of testing required, like functional, regression, performance, or usability testing. Each has a unique purpose and should align with your project's needs. Detail a step-by-step approach for how the tests will be executed. Include the tools you'll use, such as test management platforms, automation frameworks, or defect tracking systems. A well-defined strategy saves time and eliminates ambiguity. Testing is a team effort. List the resources required, including team members, software, hardware, and other infrastructure. Be specific about roles and responsibilities to avoid confusion during execution. Designate tasks like test case creation, execution, defect reporting, and status tracking to appropriate team members. This ensures a seamless workflow and accountability at each stage of the process. Time management is key to a successful test plan. Break the testing process into phases, such as test design, execution, and reporting. Assign deadlines for each phase while staying realistic about the complexity of tasks. Set specific milestones, such as completing test case development or wrapping up defect resolution. Milestones help track progress and ensure the project stays on schedule. How will you measure success? Identify performance metrics like the number of test cases executed, pass-fail percentages, and defect density. Share these benchmarks to keep everyone on the same page about what success looks like. Set exit criteria to determine when the testing process is complete. For instance, testing might conclude after all critical defects are resolved and a certain percentage of test cases pass. This ensures quality standards are met. A test plan isn't complete until it's written down. Use clear, structured sections to document everything, from objectives and scope to strategies and schedules. Keep it concise but comprehensive to avoid confusion later. Once drafted, involve stakeholders for feedback and approval. Their insights can help refine the plan and address any overlooked details. Collaboration results in a test plan everyone trusts. Now that you know how to create a test plan step by step, put this knowledge into action. Start developing a test plan for your current or next project and involve your team in reviewing it for maximum impact. Subscribe for more practical testing tips and elevate your QA game today.